Thanks for joining us. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the video. I'm Jason. This is my wife, Suzanne. So y'all know my wife, my videographer, my director, my producer, my financial operator, everything. My wife, Suzanne, she's the one always behind the camera. She's the one that makes sure you get all the great shots. We are in Manti, Utah, and we are here to ride the Arapeen Trail. Now, we're staying at the Temple Hill Resort.
Why is it called the Temple Hill Resort?
Why is it called Temple Hill Resort? Because there is a massive LDS temple right over there, and we've done the research. Can't tell. It's either the third
or the fifth.
Or the fifth, whatever. It's one of the first LDS temples built back in the mid to late 1800s. That's an old temple. That's why it's called Temple Hill Resort. Resort's kind of a strong word. But we're staying here in Manti to ride the Arapeen Trail. Now, for those of you that don't know where the Arapeen Trail is, it is in central Utah, just north of the Paiute Trail system. Now, the Paiute Trail system is down in Fish Lake National Forest. Just above that, the Manti-La Salle National Forest. That's where we are. So this series is probably going to end up being about 3 videos. We're here for 3 days. Break it up by day, so you're going to be looking at about 3 videos. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button down there so that you don't miss them. Now, we'd never been here before, so all of this was new. So it was all exploring. It was we had a plan,
and he had a map.
Yeah,
and he kind of had spots on the map of where we were going to go, but you never know when you're exploring. You know, you never know what's going to happen.
Let's see where this goes, and let's see where that goes. And we'd kind of broken it up into 3 sections. Like, one day we would explore this section, one day we would explore that section, and one day we would explore this section. So day 1, we kind of just went straight west.
Straight. Did a loop.
So day 1, starting right now.
This is what we do. We load up our side-by-side and our camp trailer and go to different trails and fly our drones.
So that was day one. A lot of just pointing and going this way. We did find out. So I bought a paper map, a big paper map of the Arapeen Trail. You can find them online. They're about $10. I also downloaded the Arapeen maps to my Avenza. So we had both. We had the GPS maps on the phone, and it was a good idea to have both. I like to have a big paper map because you can lay it all out and you can kind of figure out in a nice big what you're going to do. But then the GPS is nice because you have a pinpoint of where you are. And now that came in handy because there's a lot of trails that aren't on either map. So you think, oh, this is the intersection. She pulls up Miss Navigation. Oh, this must be our right turn. She's like, no, this isn't it. There are trails everywhere, and they're not on the map. But so yeah, just kind of getting our feet wet, exploring.
The Arapeen trails, they're pretty set up, but you come to trails that aren't marked and you think, do we go on that one? And it has no sign saying stay here, but yeah.
There's a lot of Forest Service trails, and there's a lot of just trails.
Yeah.
I mean, there's a lot of trails on that mountain.
Yeah.
And so we tried to just stay on the main trails, the marked trails, the known trails, because that's what we planned. But I don't know, at some point it was just like, where does that go? And so we turned down it and see where it went. But that was day one, and appreciate you guys hanging out with us. Like I said, if you haven't subscribe, because there is a day two coming. Day two, big day.
Better day. Big day.
Teaser.
Yeah.
Day two, we found some pretty cool stuff. Now,
yes, we did.
If you liked what you saw here, you are not going to want to miss day two. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. And we'll see you on the trails. You're supposed to say that.
Okay.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time, and we'll
see you on the trails.